在却无边无际，说只剩有空，言只有婊子为白了心，你刻在的心，一个道的境界，只不过只伤人无情，为我要新世界，爱空是否不在管理有继续时间，就在频频动完没动手跪在这里，不必刻在空气，一个道的期间，就外面别曾经我被错让幻变，我甚至是容易点，爱你也在实施里，人话逃离手学会抽人眼的线，这是天空忘了秒，这个微波藏只是黑石料，是刷好设置决定它的料肉只向你洗脚，不要成为像我有问题会发誓让我因为外星人而想和心中自消失和我为了我大失败安静要不说来所以说好自然要绝何在我看见泡沫
Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, everyone? Wow. I missed that trade. Yeah, I have not done anything today yet. Well, yeah, wait, I don't know. I touched in that 69 and so it's ranging from 55 to 69. It's only about 14-15 points in this price range for the last 20 minutes or so. Super tight. Kind of calm for the last couple of days. How's it going, everyone? Yep, super tight. I'm sitting on my hands right now. We are at support at 55 and resistance level up here at 70. Only 15 points right now. Dun, 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 dun. Well, the day high is 504. We're looking at 40 points. 40 points from the top to the top to the day high. Hey, what's up, Reno? Crystal? I don't know, man. We're getting bad. My memories and all that. I need coffee. I need Vietnamese coffee. This is the 5 minutes. 1 minute here. Dun dun dun. Pretty slow Friday, are you guys? No one's here. I might get off early today. Beautiful weather out there. Beautiful out there. Are you off, Crystal? Okay, my friend. Pretty slow today. Yeah, I'll be go on a date today. No, I'm not off. Now I'm saying that I might want to take maybe half an hour, off early. But no, I'm still here. No, I was saying that I'm on a date today. Have a date today. Have a date. So maybe I get off a little bit early. I'm on a date today, you guys. On a date today. Yeah. No, but I have to treat it seriously, because you guys came to me and want to see me disciplined and want to see me successful and want to see me taking good trade. So I have to be that, not to be reckless. I don't want to let you guys down. That's the bottom line. And I don't want to let myself down. I'm gonna go try. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, I don't want to let you guys down. Yep, you guys came to see me be responsible and disciplined. And I don't want, yeah. And especially, these are my funded account with Apex, and I don't want to blow anything up. Yeah. But to take it slow, you know, right? So, yeah, they're all funded. Wow. Watch for that 70 to break out. Man, I don't want to chase it right now. Look at where that resistance levels is. 70. It's hard. It's hard to take the trade. To go long. It's really hard. To chase. But that's fine. Wow. Yeah. It's hard, right? I mean, it broke the 70. But again, it's only what 3 points above that resistance level, so she can pull back. It might go all the way up to 78 and hit right back. So have to, like I said, my stop still 10 points. My stop loss is 10 points. Yeah. Our next resistance level is 80, 480. It pushed through to tough, man. And up here we got it 500, 504. Man, this kind of price actions, man, and my stop has to be super, I mean, a lot bigger than 10 points. And if I don't want to do that, then I have no choice but sit on my hands. You can came back 10 points and push it back up again. Man, 500 next. Yeah, sometimes, man, I've got to be patient and sit on my hands. I don't want to chase it. Hey, Flo, how's it going, Flo? Even with this right here, it came back below that 80. I really want to go short, but no. The market, I mean, it's still strong. It's strong. And this is the first red candle anyway. So I should wait for another 5 seconds to see how this candle's close at. Where did this candle close at? Okay, below that 80. Should have taken that trade right away. 10 points, man. Where the next candle? Sometimes, man, it's just like, just take the trade. I mean, this is the first red candle and this is the second candle. Maybe to take the trade and risk in 2-3 points and trying to catch, 8 points. Thing like that. But, Okay, Flo. Thank you for stopping by, Flo. Yeah. Okay, she'll come back and retest that resistance level at 80. Watch for 80 again. How strong that move is. Basically, if I want to take a trade right now or whatever, see money take money. It's just not like, yeah, see money take money. Bottom line, even 5 points, 4 points, thing like that. See money take money. Super tight. Yeah, right now my hard stop is 10 points. Risking $200 for a trade. 26 seconds. Waiting to see how this candle close. See, even with this right here, say above that 80, usually I take the trade right away, but for some reason I do not. I don't really want to trust it. It's really very tight. But I'm watching for that 80 though. Like I said, if I go in, I have to get out right away if it doesn't want to go. Watch for that 80 or 79 to hold. You see what I'm saying? Very, very difficult to take a trade right now. What I mean by difficult is that you have got to be a lot more patient. Man, you might want to push all the way up to 500. Hey, how's it going, Mavic? How's it going, friend? It's just, you know how that goes, man. It's just so difficult to chase it at the high. Not at the high, but close to the high. Very difficult for me to put myself in that kind of situations. Very difficult. But that's okay. Just be patient. If I don't have to take any more trade for the rest of the day, then be it, you know, right? So, don't have to. You see the 5 minutes look like? How the 15 minutes look like? Yeah. Yeah, 500. 95, 500. Yeah. You know I want to chase it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, man. Yeah, I have the EMAs here, the 9 and the 50 EMA. Yep, half of the time that I don't know what I'm doing. But I try to make money, you guys. But believe me, half of the time, or maybe 99% of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. So don't take me seriously. I'm just here to document my journey, you guys. But yeah, this is the 9 EMA. The red is the 50 EMA. I like that. Okay, I should focus. I don't know, sometimes, man, I tend to not focus. I'm watching. Super tight right now. We'll see. No, I say that I don't know how to make money. But I try. I try, my friend. But yeah, to be honest, half of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm watching for that 88 though. 88 has to hold. Thank you for saying that. I try, and then to be honest with you, I'm learning every day, you guys. I'm not trying to say that I'm Mr. Know Everything. I'm here to learn, and I'm here to put some time. Okay, my stop is 10 points. Hard stop is 10 points. Watch for that 80 to hold. I don't like that. Don't like that. I'm out. I took a 7 points. I'm too rush. I'm rushing it. Took a 7 point. 7 point hit instead of 10. Yeah, this is not the account. $158 in the red. That is a P8 account. Performance account, so. I'm glad that I got out though. I made a mistake, but who knows, right? She can push. But you look at this here. The reason I took that short, because look at this red candles here, this one here. But I was rushing it, that's for sure. But again, who knows, right? I mean, that's what trading all about. I just cannot be right. It's just the game of possibility. I mean, yeah, but I thought it can push all the way down to 70 to catch that. But it did not go the way that I wanted to go. But that's what trading all about. That's what stop loss in place all about. So yeah. Pretty tight though. Yeah, like I said, when I made a mistake and I have to understand why is that. Was that a good trade? To me, it is. You know, to take a short. Look at this red candles here, and look at this candles here, and follow that. Following that, two candles go all the way. It looked like it's trying to break that 80. It broke that 80, and I thought I took that trade. But yeah, but I'm not too. I'm not regret taking that trade. And my yeah. Yeah, I do have Discord. You're welcome to join. A lot of fun. Yeah, the bottom line is, you know, I'm here to. Yeah, super tight, you guys. I mean, be very patient. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it take somebody asking me that how long did it take become a profitable trader, I guess. Yeah, it took me a lot longer than I expected, because as you can see that this is the only time that I get on and trade. I to be honest, this is not. I'm not trading like 7 or 8 hours. I should have done that. If I spent a lot more time with trading, I think I'll be a lot better. But as of right now, I'm spent a couple hours or maybe 3 hours of trading. And some week that I took a week off and that, but I should have treated more seriously. But yeah. There you go. I came back to 87. But like I said, I wouldn't go short right now. Right now, we're in this kind of price range. If I get in and get out, I'm going to lose money for sure. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? It's just like, it's very difficult. You might want to go retesting this high of the day again, 504. So I wouldn't. Oh, you did, big W. Yeah, sorry to hear that, man. I know, man. It's tough. But the bottom line is, man, we must have our risk management in place and stick with our plan, you know? Yeah. Yeah, right now we are in this price range right now. Only 40? That's considered good flow. Come on, man. 40 accounts, that's considered super good. I know that I blow up more than that. A lot more than that. 40, that's excellent, man. That's very good, man. 40? I know that I blow up more than that. So that to me, that consider awesome. You know, 40 accounts. Yeah, I blow up more than that, to be honest. 40 is nothing. Yeah, we all need to learn, man. I mean, we all need to learn in our own way, you know. They predicted easy. Yeah. Yeah, but I try to keep my expenses low. Not to this month, right? I have not bought any more of the challenge account. Remember the account that I traded the last couple of days was the challenge account that Andy bought it for me a couple of days ago, right? I mean, a couple of days ago, you guys remember that Andy bought me an account, and I passed it yesterday. Remember that yesterday, and I paid for it with Apex. It cost me $130 to activate the account. Yeah. So my expenses for this month is like almost like zero, except the $130 that I did pay. So, and as you can see that I have about 10 paid account right now. I have to be super disciplined not to blow up any of those accounts and make those account pay. So, and you can see that one account that I have to trade, have to make about $400 more to request a payout. So I have got to be super disciplined not to blow them up. Wow, I just broke that. And you know that it's really easy to blow up your account. You know that. If we don't control our emotions, man, we go, sometimes, man, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I go, F this, I'm going to revenge trade and all that, but just be collective and sit back and say, man, why are you doing something like that? This is a business. Treat it like one. I'm not necessarily saying that I'm 100% fully in control right now, but man, come to the point that I go, man, don't do that. Don't do that anymore. Come on, this is business, and treat it like one. It's a business, not to do that. So, and you can see that the way I trade, man, I get out so fast. People will go, why you get out so fast? Why your stop loss so tight? Why? Because I blow up so many accounts. Just let it be. Just go, allow it to go against me, and then just add more to my losing and all that. Just blow up more account. And I got so mad. I go, okay, I'll blow up one account. Let me try another account, and then keep doing the same thing and expect a different result. And I go, no, I better stop doing that, because it's cost money and cost me my time, and it's not learning to do all kind of revenge trade and all that. So come to the point that I go, man, I have to make some changes, man. If I don't make money, fine. Trying to put that in my head, So yeah, I have to keep my account, my 10 account intact. But you know what? I promised myself to eventually that I want to grow that 10 to 20 accounts. And one day, man, honestly, man, one day my dream is to trade 20 accounts at the same time, exactly the same way that I'm trading right now. If I'm trading with one account, that's my dream. Trading 20 accounts, be super disciplined. Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't know. Even though I'm doing just okay right now, but I don't know. In the back of my mind, I go, one day, man, I'm going to be very, very successful, and I'm going to have like thousands of people watching me on YouTube. Trading 20 accounts at the same time. Super disciplined, making good money, and provide a lot of good value for people who on YouTube and watching me. That's my dream. But I'm working on it, to be honest with you. I'm working on it. One day, man, my dream is one day I'm trading 20 accounts at the same time. And yeah, that's my dream. Yep, right now I'm learning, but I don't know. It's just like deep down inside, I go, one day, man, I can do this. One day, 20 accounts. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we have got to try, you guys. We have got to try and believe in ourselves, and then promise to ourselves to make changes, right? I mean, I don't know if you can look back like a year and a half ago when I trained, man, I got almost like no discipline, trading 20 accounts at the same time. And blow them all up, you know, and yeah, but come to the point that I go, man, you better stop doing this. Either stop 100% completely, not trading anymore. If I want to continue trading, I have to stick with the plan and risk management and leave my emotion out of it, right? Either that or stop trading completely. Get the mostly I get the hell out, but yeah, you know. So yep. Thank you, Ali. Thank you. I will, that's for sure. Yeah, look like we're going to push to 500. Wow, look at this, you guys. Like straight up. Yeah, look at this. Is it crazy, man? Look at straight up. You know what? I think it will push to 500 or it will go even higher too. So look at this here. But again, who knows, right? It might come back. So our job is to react, right? Not predict. Is that how you say it? Our job is to react, not to predict. That's our job, man. As a trader, we react. Man, look at that. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. 504 flow. 504, man. Another 10 points. See, look at this candles here, man. Andy and John, man, they'll catch this. I don't know, man. Sometimes I just can't find myself to get in. I have to learn how to overcome that fear to get in this candle. But I'm sure that John and Andy, man, they do really good of catching these candles here. 4 or 5 points. I have to overcome that fear. I hear you. Here we go, 504, 500, at the minimum 500. Wow, it's crazy. Wow, 530, we might push it to 530. Yeah. Here we go. Take money. How you doing, Mavic? Knock is a killer. I know, huh? Oh yeah. So the top is 506. Call me crazy, but here we go. Oh, come on! What are you doing? Okay, I'm so super nervous now. Don't like that. Man, I thought I got it. This is the time that I should say please. Right? Please. Please. I'm risking $200. Yep, this is the time I should say please. I'm not a religious person, but this is the time. Go please. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Oh no. Yeah. Come on. Please. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not a religious person, but oh man. Oh man. Yeah. I don't like it. And I'm not going to move my stop. That's the risk I'm going to take. Then stick with that. Stick with my plan. Please. Kind of funny, huh? With trading and you have to go, please. No, please. I like that. I like that. Really? Come on. Give it to me already. Come on, man. Give it to me, baby. Push. Nope. Five seconds, 3 seconds. Come on, push through. Let go. Man, I don't like that. Oh, doesn't look good. That's fine. I accept that. Risking $200 with this trade. That's fine. I accept it. I really like these candles here. I really like that candle. Yeah. Come on, go. Push. Go! Man, this is the longest trade that I'm in. Very long. Longest trade that I'm in. Can you just go? Go! This is the longest trade ever. Please go. Go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. And I will not let the trade to go against me, that for sure. I will get out if... Go! I'm out. That's pretty stupid, but I'm worse. It's crazy, man. This is the longest trade ever. Okay, never mind. I'm still in the red for that account though, $100, but that's fine. Man, that's crazy. I should have stayed on that trade, but who knows, right? She can come back. Look at that. She doesn't want to go, man. I just... Longest ever. Yeah. It is crazy, man. But that's fine. Crazy. Yeah, super emotions, man. See, I've been, to be, what, talking about religious and all that stuff. That's YouTube, for fun. But in real life, I don't do that. I don't really go, please go. Nah. just for YouTube, you know, so put some emotion to it, you know, so that you're. But in real life, I don't do that. Okay, either my way or the highway. But no. But I'm glad that I got out though with a little bit of profit. You know, it's not what I expected, but it's crazy, man. This is the longest trade ever. Yeah. Yeah, it's at NQ and it's at 1 minute. I trade 1 minute, but I usually go and look at the 5 and the 15 and all that too. Yeah. Yeah, this is the 5 minutes here, and this is the NQ micro. No, not micro, mini. One contract. Man, it is crazy. The market wanted to go up, and I tried to fight the trend. But who knows, right? I mean, look at this. We're at the top, and look like we're on the go. But look at this red candles here. Man, if she follows this candle by another red candle, then I'm good. But it did not want to do that. Push it back up again. So I thought I better get out, man. Yeah. I can stream one trade. Yeah, it's full, man. Welcome to share, man. Share your. You know, we have a Discord channel that you can share your trade in there, so that we all can learn from that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look like she came back. Let's see. Don't tell me this is it. Two trades today so far. One win, one loss. Now she goes. Hey. Sometimes, man. Yeah, like I said, to be honest, my stop is only 10 points, unless I change it. But my loss is 10 points. It's super hard for me to. Yeah. But it's super tight though. Look at that, you guys. She went all the way down to what, 88, pushed it back up to 98. It's only 10 point. I mean, 10 points price range. It's very difficult to take a trade. It's only 10 points. But I'm watching for that 88 to hold though. That's a support level. If she breaks that 88, I might consider go short again. And hopefully I can catch it, like, you know, 5-10 points. Yeah, I'm down here. I'm watching for 88 to hold. Up here, I'm watching for 98 500 to hold. Yeah, that's the resistance level. Watching for those two levels. Yeah, I'm still in the red though with one account, so. $100, not too bad. But like I said, I'm not worried. Yes, I do, but not too much about making money, a lot of money right now. It's like how I react to a trade and how I'm trading. And you know that in this kind of business, I mean, you can scale it up and you can make $1 million a day. But you know what I'm saying. So I'm focused on how I put myself out there and how I'm controlling that trade and how to manage that trade. That's more important to me than making money right now. Of course, I love to make money. You know that. We all know that. But I'm saying that my main focus is to know how to manage a trade when I'm in a trade, and what is my emotions and how am I doing to react to the trade or control the trade. That is my most important right now. But again, when that time comes, we can scale it up. Instead of one contract, we can do two contracts or 3 contracts. You know, that's when we make a lot of money. But right now, let's focus on how to trade bottom line. Watch for that 88 to hold. Hey, what's up, Andy? How's it going, man? How's it going, Andy? How are you? Super tight at 88 and 500. 12 points price range right now. Whoa, that's awesome, Andy. Good job, man. Love it. Wow. What for 98? Okay, Andy. Man, it's super tight, man. Touching the what? Touching the 98, 99, and went back down again. Super tight, you guys. Touching that 88, push it back up again. I wouldn't trust it right now. They are playing the game right now. 88 and 598. 10-point price range, man. 10-point price range. Hello. Autofocus. Welcome. Welcome, you guys. Super tight, man. Who want to trade? Come on, only 10 points price range, man. How can we trade? Okay, we'll be a bit patient. I'll be patient. Yeah, Andy, we can't trade like this, huh? But I'm sure that you're good at this, man. You're catching 3-4 points right here, man. I don't know, man. I have to look at that and touching that 98 again. To be patient. Okay, watching. Oh yeah. Okay, Andy. Yeah. Maybe the last 10 minutes of the day. Maybe I'll take one more trade during that MOC, huh? Yeah. She can push one way or the other, right? I mean, she can push really fast. Wow, 500. Hey man, flow 500, man. 506. I know, man, super tight. So basically the bottom line is what, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. The bottom is what, 88? The top is like 500. You're good, okay. Yeah. I hear you, Flo. I hear you. Wow, what is that? What is that? What happening? What is that, you guys? Yeah. About to pick up right now. Oh yeah, really? Uh-oh. Super risky, but I took the trade. Here we go. Go! Got it! Woo! $100. Hey, you're super risky, but I took the trade. I'm back in the green. Green, no. $9 in the red. $9 in the red, man. That's crazy. $9 in the red. It was it was 5 points. That's fine. Because in this market, man, in this kind of, it's like trading in this kind of price range, believe me, man, it's very difficult to catch 8, 10 points or 20 points. It's very, very hard. But 5 points is 5 points, so I'm happy with that trade. For sure, 100%, I'm happy with that. But I'm still $9 in the red though. Yeah, it was lucky, I guess. But like I said, I made adjustment, you know. In this, see, you know how usually I move my take profit, but I go nope. Man, if I'm lucky that I can get squeeze 5 points out of this trade, and I did. I did not move. Man, took me at the right at the bottom. Look at that. Took me off. Like I took profit and then push it back up again. See, put back up again. Look at this. Right at that. My price. Push it back up again. It's very, very, very tough to trade. But I thought why not? I took the trade, but yep. Crazy guy. I mean, crazy today, you guys. Dun, 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 dun. How's it going, you guys? How's it going? What you guys doing? Okay. I'm gonna go short again. Let's see. It broke that 88 again. Down here we're looking at what, 78? 10 points. 88, 78. I don't know, man. I do not want to chase it. It broke that too. 78. I hate to chase it. That I have to be honest. I hate to chase it. Man, she might want to go to 64. 64 if 78 doesn't hold. Is that crazy? I was watching. What time is it? 34. I go all in. You crazy, man. Hey, man, these are all funded accounts. Man, these are all my funded account, man. I'm not going to go all in. You crazy. But you know the crazy is this. If I go all in, okay, if I'm lucky enough not to lose my account, if I make so much money, I cannot make more than $1,000. $1,000 with Apex, right? I mean, that's like 30% consistency rule. You know, you cannot make more than 30%, and you cannot make more than $1,000. So it's just not a good idea to go all in with your funded account. That's for sure. But you know that the thing is this, okay? My goal is, to wanted to trade 20 accounts at the same time. You don't have to make $1,000 with one trade. I mean, what I want to catch is like $300 per trade. That is what, $6,000 for 20 accounts. You know my point. So I'm working on that. You know, $300 fine, $200 fine. But when the time comes, I'm going to trade 20 accounts at the same time, right? And I'm ready for that. See, right now, I don't want to, not that I don't want it, but I'm not not wanting. I'm not focusing making so like 1,000 or 2,000 and risking a lot. And that, you know what I'm saying? My goal is to do 20 accounts at the same time, and I do not want to risk more than $300 a day. And my focus is like to make $300 to $500 a day. Assuming that if I'm making $500 a day, that 20 accounts is like $10,000. So you know what I'm trying to do right now? Let's focus and manage my risk very little, but making $200 or $300 is fine, or $500 is fine, but not focusing, risking so much and making so much, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, that's why I'm planning to do 20 accounts at the same time, and this is the way to do it. Yep. $78 broke that 70. They below that 78. Oh, you did. I know, man. You're good at that. You're really good at that. $70, $88. It's only 14 points. Okay, our next stop is 70. 70. I'm reaching too much. I'm reaching too much. Okay, I like that. Go. 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 I'm out. This is crazy, man. I don't believe it. I don't know. Doesn't look good. I'm glad that I did though. He doesn't want to go. Yeah, but like I said, I'm only risking 10 points. He would have to come back and take me out. I mean, come back up there and take me out. Look at that. Yeah, like I said, my hard stop is only 10 points. Yeah, 10 points. Very tough. I thought I got it, but no. About 42. About 42. 8 more minutes. It's very difficult to chase it right now. Yeah, I just broke that 65. Yeah. Came down with this candlestick. It came down to 65, push it back up again. Push it all the way back up to 80. We're looking at what, 15 points. 80. 80, 65 and 80, 15 points. Watch for 70, resistance level. I'm positive. No, I'm in the red. Low. It's only $82. That's fine. I'm not too worried, you know.
Great Hanuman's strength of wind.
Yeah, my daily loss limit's $300 to $400. You know, that's it. And I'll go ahead and trade another account if I hit that.
Yes, we call your
And then if it's another $300, then I will stop.
we come with
Yeah,
chance in
my
our
daily
hearts.
loss limit's like $300 or $400 with any of my funded
Echoing
account.
sacred hymn
Maximum
verses.
2 account. Yeah. Yeah, to survive in this business, I have to stick with my
Grace and
plan,
mercy
you
by
know.
my side. Each syllable a sacred plea. In the sun's early glow, I'm free. With every beat, the spirit clears. Embracing love, his name adheres. Ah. Echoes rise.
Oh,
a
okay.
morning star.
I'll look into
In
it.
each note, the truths that scar. Mantras come a timeless
Good idea,
sound,
Flo.
where his presence is profound. The heart unfolds, the soul adheres. With every chant, his grace appears. Verse after verse, his name revered. Bhakti, pure devotion, sincere. Whispers to the cosmos soar. As Hanuman brings strength.
Give it to me.
to war.
Go.
In his love, fears
Go.
disappear.
Got it.
Chanting
I'm back in the green. $100
clear.
with 5 points. I caught 5 points. Whoa. Look at.
The dawn
Now I'm
breaks
watching for that
through the
80.
morning
80 to
sea.
hold.
To Hanuman, we
If she
sing
pushed
in
through that 80, man, we can go back up here
courage
at
flows
500
in
again.
every line.
Push strong. I don't know
In
why.
every
Buy a step in and
heart,
push it up
his
again.
virtues shine.
Our job is
Ancient words,
not to
they
worry about
rise
why.
and fall. In every moment, to him we
Man, look at
call.
that. Only caught 5 points with that trade. But anyway, that's fine.
Almighty One, with mace in hand, bringer of strength to this very
Dun, dun,
land.
dun, 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 dun.
Tales
Maybe
of
5:30.
valor,
Yeah.
whispered breeze,
See, I should have
leaves of the
moved my
sacred
take profit
tree.
because it's, look at that push.
In his presence,
Look at these down here candles.
soar.
Look at this
Every
push here.
chant, it opens door.
Anyway. Tough, man. It looked pretty easy. To be honest with you guys, it looked pretty easy, but it's not.
Sacred halls,
So,
incense drifts and devotion calls. Chimes resonate with a golden hue. Hanuman's grace in view.
wow.
Footsteps echo a prayerful stance, lifting souls.
It's not even
into
MOC.
its
Yeah, tell me about it, man. Look at. Another 10 minutes. Oh, wow, one more minute. One more minute. Okay, I think I'm going to take one more trade, maybe. I'm risking what? $200. That's fine. I have $200 risk. We'll put on a trade. So. You know what? Since it moved really fast, instead of 5 points, I'll go with 7 points. Still risking 10 points. Yeah, at 500 hold. Yeah, that make a lot of sense. But I don't know, man. It's super strong. So I guess we have to be super patient, right? and your stop loss in place in case that we are wrong, right? We must have our stop loss in place in case that we are wrong. Here we go. Yeah, it should not surprise me if it can push it up to what, 530 or so. But again, our job is not to predict. Our job is to react. I'm watching for that 500 and come back up here and testing that 500. Perhaps it's not a bad idea to go shorter and see some weakness. $500, $505. Here we go, 500. $505. Okay. Yeah, like I said, man, the last 5 minutes or 10, really gambling, you know, it's just no direction at all. So I don't know. If I see it, I'll take one more trade. But other than that, I'm happy with a $14 profit. That's crazy. That's a lot of fun though. It's a lot of learning today. To be honest with you guys, it's a lot of learning today. Even though making 20 bucks between two accounts, that's fine. Yep, that's fine. You know, that's fine. You know, the bottom line is, as long as we manage our trades correctly or right and control our emotions, that is the win to me. You know, if I control my emotions, no revenge trading, be very collective and trade the way I supposed to trade, and risk management in place, not to allow my emotion get into a trade, and that's a win to me. You know, even though it's 20 bucks, 20 bucks is 20 bucks. So yeah, like I said, if I don't have to make any more trade, just be it, and I'm happy. Friday, you know, and yeah. Wow, this guy waiting my time. Okay, whatever you say, my friend. Hey Sahin, how's it going? Lunch money? Yeah, that's my lunch, man. I don't know. Yeah, how's it going? Sahin, haven't seen you for a while, long time. How are you? You been trading at all? Yeah, gambling, man. I don't want to go big. I don't want to gamble, you know. I have to consider this is a business. No gambling, man. Speak of gambling, I'm looking at it right now. What time is it? 53. It was an end. I know. I try. I try not to. I used to, man, just like blindly go in and just like double down, triple down on my losses and that. So I try control myself, not to allow. We all have that. You know that. I mean, we all have our gambling in us. But if we can control that, we'll be okay. We'll be very successful in trading. We all have that. Like I said, I'm risking 10 points. $200 if I take a trade. If I'm wrong, I'm $200 wrong, not the whole entire account. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, we have to, right? I mean, we have to showing up and do our best, right? And promise ourselves to learn from our mistake, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. But I'm super happy, you guys. This week, all my funded account intact, not blowing up anything. But yeah, I'm super happy with that. All my funded account with Apex, and my Topstep account still intact. The balance on that is 1520. I trade that account for a long time. I took a trade with, show you my Topstep. I took a trade I think last night, and it wasn't go anywhere. Last night was super slow. I go, why am I wasting my time? So I got out, basically break even. But I took a trade with this account. I thought maybe I'll see if I can make a couple $100. You know, I have 1 or 2 more days to trade with $200 profit in order to request a payout from Topstep. And you can see that this account at $1,500 now. So I was thinking, oh yeah, last night I go, oh, okay, let me see if I can squeeze $200 out of a trade, but it doesn't look like it. And I go, okay, I'm done. I got out, and then I stopped. Yeah, this is my Topstep account. At $1,500 balance right now. So yeah, it is. Shaheen. Balance in the green. I don't know. It's I don't know with Apex. I don't know why it's in green, but yeah. But yeah, these are, you see the $6 here. Those are the 2 accounts that I'm trading today with Apex. If you trade, it will show all the account, red or green. Let me go. See, red or green. But yeah, I trade 2 account, Apex account today. You can see that, and it doesn't look like it did not go anywhere. So, but like I said, I'm basically breaking even for the day. But I'm super, like I said, I'm super happy that I did not blow up any of my funded account with Apex this week. My expense is kind of low for the month. Yeah, I hear you said it. Yep, break even to me is a win. To me, it's a win. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you came by and we hang out, and I hope that we can learn from each other. You know, yeah, I'm super happy that you guys came, and I have a lot. I can see that a lot of new trader came and hang out with us, and Shaheen, welcome back, my friend. I'm super happy that some of you been with the channel for so long, and you guys once in a while you guys came back and say hello and hang out and talk to me and all that. I'm super happy with that. And again, I welcome all of you. A new trader came and hang out, and yeah, and I hope that we all give each other constructive comment, and so that we can learn from each other. That's the bottom line. Not trying to push, put each other down. That's the key. We have no choice. We got no choice to support each other, man. If we all on the same boat, I know that I made a mistake too, but I try not to. But if I do, I'm have an open mind and I'll listen, But yeah. Once again, I thank you so much, you guys, and you guys have a awesome weekend. I think I'm done for today, and yeah. Thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you Monday, and you guys have a Awesome weekend. Wow, we're at the high of the day again. Wow, push it on the day high again. Wow. Okay. We'll see you Monday. You guys have an awesome weekend once again. Thank you so much, you guys.